I just love those cats. I wonder if we can get them to do something naughty.
You cat! Look what you have done to my precious curtains. Where is that humanoid? She should be watching the cat and cleaning and getting dinner prepared. Humanoid?
Oh! I hear the missus calling. I will pretend I didn't hear her. I wonder if we can get Mr. Potato Head to say something intelligent. Mr. Potato Head!
Keep those cats away from me and my cousins. They just play and cause trouble.
I guess we know how you feel, Mr. Potato Head.
Come on, you little cats. It has to be time for your breakfast. I had the maid put out a bowl of Cheerios for you. Good little cats.
It's time to go out and play in the yard. Now I don't want any funny business. You stay in the yard and leave the dog alone. And leave Mr. Potato Head alone. He's so grouchy. Okay, it's time for you to go on your walk with the daughter. Oh, I know she wants to buy everything in sight, but you can go for a little walk with her. After all, she has to look pretty for the anything that catches her eye.
Has the humanoid been nice to you today? You didn't like walking around with Liza today? Well, I let her do it because she likes to look good for the neighborhood. Now go on and see Grandma, and then it can be your bedtime. I know she is 250 years old, but you must.